So it's the 12th of August, and this is my progress report today. So it's actually I'm not mistaken, day 7, about to reset for day 8 of this server 2. And I was just like chill, making an update with regards to my progress and events. Actually, yesterday I grind a bit just to finish some events that will be expiring today. So yeah, for example, uh, we can see here in Call to Arms, I'm the number one for today because I really spent a lot of time grinding, farming Black Forge, and also grinding to Rush for TH20. Actually, this is a personal preference. My plan is to go ahead and reach TH20 for me to unlock the fifth troop. Basically, just maximize what I can do with five troops. When it comes to juggling from farming and also hunting. That is basically the reason. And after I reach TH20, I'm gonna be spending a lot of time there to upgrade other buildings as well to compensate with the uh building powers and all. And yeah, first we're gonna check here legendary hero as an F2P. I was able to finish all the tasks here, and actually yesterday before I click all this um this one, this item or this quest item is actually around 900,000, and I was on rank. And then after all completing the task, or I mean the things that I can do here and the rewards, I just spent it all just to have a rank for me to receive these rewards. I'm on 900 plus, so I'll still getting this courier chest, this brown frost soil, soul frame, and then 3,000 gems. As an FTP, not so bad, but if you can see the rewards for the top people, pretty um good the reward as well. But you have to consider these people are really whales or big spenders, so it's fine. Also, in my growth path, I was able to already unlock Baldur on his S tier. So you can see it
No
here.
warrior can lose
It's
a
already
limb, but
S tier on
never
my
their
end,
guts.
and I'm just actually hoarding a lot of XP, mementos as well for the events upcoming. Because I'm actually eyeing for Reed as
I shall
well
not hide from my duty to
for this
protect. True
one.
heroes never back down.
So the upcoming chieftain is for Erin.
You hear it? This is
I'm
the
just
melody
gonna
of the
be
wind.
participating but not competing for this one. Because Erin for me is just a um okay hero, but I'm actually rooting for a berserker or a tank composition. That is why I'm eyeing for Reed or Carl. So yeah, it's gonna be 8 day later. Let's see if we're gonna get this one. Oh, thank you so much for 100 gems. So yeah, I'm not actually what you call this one? Pretty sure what will our positioning in our tribe for now is going, because we actually waiting for our leader's plan if we're gonna be, you know, moving forward on uh zone perspective. So we haven't unlocked, or I think they haven't done any ruin. So yeah, I think we're gonna lose this one. 2 hours. You should have occupied a ruin, but there's no fixed plan with regards to that. So I will just comply with their um plans. So with regards to this account, actually I'm doing it this one as a hybrid or the basic one as well because I'm this is my main. I don't have any farmer account because I cannot do that due to time commitments. It's very time consuming to have one account. How much more having farmer accounts as well? No social life. So yeah, I actually
Spirit of the
balance
wind,
my
please guide me.
heroes here
Tell
as
me which
well.
way
So
I
I
should
have
go.
I am the first line
a
of
Baldur so
defense.
far that is my main for hunting. A
A bountiful
Skern
harvest
or
is my
Skirny
favorite sight.
for farm. But also I'm using Elena and then
I am one
Sigrid
with nature. The light will
and
shine
Elia
on us
for
again.
farm. I mean
Every
resources.
week
So
tells the
it's
story
kind of
of the earth,
actually I'm
and
not
I am
really
the guardian of that
putting much
story.
effort on heroes first because it's just still early in the game, and I'm actually waiting for
Simply existing has
Alpine.
meaning.
As long as I was able to um unlock this hero, I'm gonna pairing it with either Rex or Baldur. But in my previous experience in ROG, it is
Meaning
best with
lies not in
Rex
the
as
destination,
a tank
but in the
that
journey.
can do all the things that I need, such in Black Forge farming, also in raiding other chieftains. So I'm kind of bit of a warmonger on Rebirth of Glory, and I'm fond of attacking and PvP events. But I'm kind of um torn for this global version because if you can see, hold on, it's a different uh system here in the this kind of store, which is the friend shop. It was actually like a merit shop before. So in for the folks playing in Rebirth of Glory, you know how this it works. You get points or merit points when attacking troops or chieftains, enemy chieftains. I mean, and you get a points with regards to that. But for this version, I think it's more on the friend shop. I mean friend points wherein you will be getting by doing a hero support feature here on the ancestral trial. So basically, this ancestral trial is, for example, you have a an OP hero on your lineup. For example, I have like Baldur already 60 or 4 stars, or you mean you get my point. Your strongest hero can be borrowed by your tribe mates and your friends, as well as if you need assistance from them, from their um set of heroes. For example, my friend here, or I mean my tribe mates here, has a level 48 already ball. I can definitely apply to borrow his hero, and if it accept it, I'm gonna be able to use his hero in my lineup here in Ancestral Trial to win more rounds. But please be aware that you only have three. Once you accept, or I mean, once your friend accept your request, you can only use his hero for 3 times, or I mean 3 raids or 3 rounds per week, and after that, you cannot borrow anymore. You may return it or automatically return it after the reset or the weekly reset on Monday. And then for you as the person who were borrowed your hero, whenever you let your hero be borrowed and then used and then successfully, I think you will be rewarded every after weekly reset, and I think that's the points that you can use for the friend shop. So I'm not sure what will be the point system in PvP. So I'm not that yet kind of interested in attacking other chieftains. I'm just you know making my base stronger and my troops training more for in case there's changes gonna be happening. So yeah. And if you can see, I'm VIP 9. I did not spend any real money here. I just used all the gems available. Why I did? Because I am after this one, advanced knowledge. For people or for those gamers that have played the Rebirth of Glory, this is very important because advanced knowledge can only be obtained if the showdown event is available, and you can unlock those or you can use those stones here. There's no other source but the event as well, and this is another um, skill tree or research tree in your research facility, and it's very for me it's very vital to have this unlocked as soon as possible. So yeah, it's my personal preference. So I'm for other people, they hoard their gems for other purposes. I learned the hard way on my Rebirth of Glory days because I've actually used all the gems to buy in this market. I mean hold on, in this mysterious merchant, and I haven't utilized it well. That is why I was actually behind in the VIP level, and I'm having a hard time because if I want to compete in the showdown, even though I am competing, but I am lacking for the skill tree of this in tribal showdown because I don't have enough advanced knowledge stones. So lesson learned from that. So as much as possible, I obtained this VIP 9. It's for this version, it's up 12. In Rebirth, it's just only up to 10, I think. And this is actually the basic. If you're gonna be before VIP 9, there's no advanced knowledge stones. So this is the basic one, and then I'll just let it. I'm not gonna be spending any more for VIP tickets. So I'll just let it proceed, or I mean progress along the way, because for me I'm already set in VIP 9. It's good. Yeah. So what else? I'm just gonna participate a bit here. Hold on. So yeah, I'm as an FPP, I'm on my 6 million right now. Just disregard the number. It's so very funny. I'm just gonna try to change that a bit. Okay, good. So also, I'm trying my best. If there is no event or war or anything that will be needing my unit, I'll just leave it here on the hospital to uh, wait for the medicines to regenerate itself, not to use resources to heal my troops because I'm really aiming to save up some a lot of resources to upgrade this to TH70 and other else. So if you're not in a rush, you just can wait for the medicines in your infirmary to regen. Okay, and then what else? So we're currently be looking forward after the reset. I'm gonna be focusing on Call of Valhalla. This Realm Within Realms is a game, a cross server game that wherein you can be able to play against or with other players in other servers. However, this one is I find it kind of boring. And my first game here is bugged. I was not able to. I'm in game, but I was not able to launch my my troop, and I practically lost the game before because of that. So Call to Arms is okay. I'm gonna be number one for today, and then try to grind always because the reward for the top one is very good. So yeah. Um, just a quick tip. Whenever you're gonna be participating to Call to Arms, just really time your resources use and as your stamina use. Just time it well. For example, after the reset, later will be for development settlement. So if you're trying to upgrade your buildings and stuff, you're gonna be using speed ups or what, you just time it here on the first hour after the reset to make sure that you're getting or maximizing the points that you're getting for this, so you can compete. And that goes well with other categories. For example, on the hour four, I mean on day two, it is soldiers. So if you want to, train more soldiers and use also speeders as well, use it on that time, so you can maximize the points that you're getting. So as well as other categories. So make sure you time it well, so you will not and spending your points or on a losing side. You're always gonna be winning. So yep. So far that is my progress report, and please, if you want to ask anything or clarification with regards to upcoming events or other tips, I'll be more than happy to discuss that with you. I'm really not that professional or good in making content so far. It's just very random. I just want to be natural about it and, work my way up. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I do hope you have a good day. And see you next time.